Mapagbigay ka ba? And finally, merciful. Maawain ka ba? I mean, they don't deserve it, but still you go. This is the way to go for all of us. So let's tell one another, remind one another today. Tell the person beside you, be just, maging patas ka ha, be good, magpakabait ka, be loving, maging mapagmahal ka, be generous, maging mapagbigay ka naman, and be merciful, maging maawain ka. This is what the Lord asks all of us. Ewan ko kung anong level ka na. Whatever, just keep going. We must become